Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to MTech Viral. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about Git or GitHub. So how can we deploy our code to Git or GitHub? How can we use the version control? So that is, we will implement just the basic of it, that how can we push this code to GitHub. So before moving that, let me tell you one thing, that in our last video, or we can say that in one of my video, or that was the last one, and we created an app which is a frenzy chat app, and we basically created a design of it which you can find the code on GitHub. So I want to tell you that how I pushed that particular code to GitHub using VScode. So let me come back to this chat application. So here you can see on the screen this chat application is here, and I am here on the terminal. So before doing anything, I will go to my GitHub account. So if you don't have any GitHub account, then you can create one. So here I'm opening Google Chrome, and here you can see that let me close all the stuff here. So you can see I have there are a lot of repositories I have, and I can create new from here, and I will name it something like, I can say it, it was frenzy app, so we can say frenzy chat app. Okay, so this is frenzy chat app. In the description I can say that frenzy chat app is written in Flutter. Okay, so let's just make it short, and we will leave these fields like this, and we can click on this create repository, and it will create a repository for me. So here we have this m frenzy chat app and all that stuff. Now what we will do, we will go back to our uh, this Visual Studio Code, and we will go to our terminal. So one thing, you have to make sure that you have Git already installed in your PC or laptop, so that you can perform some commands here, which I am going to perform. If you don't have that, then you need to install Git, and you can refer to any video for that, or you can go here on the Google and you can search here that install Git. So here you can see it has all the details here in this website. I will put the link in the description as well of this, how you can do this. So here you can get an idea how can you install Git on into your system. So let's go back here. Now what you have to do, you have to perform some 3 or 4 commands only. So here first of all you will write git init, which will initialize an empty repository. So let's press enter, and initialized empty Git repository in this particular location. It is saying it is basically the location of my application where it is, and on the left side you can see that all the items has been greened out, or whatever the theme of your code editor, it will be changing some color. So there is a point that there is something happened. Okay, now what we have to do, now into our this git, we need to add all these files. So we will say git add and space, and we will press dot, which means all the files. So let's press enter. Oh, it is saying something which is, oh, there is a warning, crlf will be replaced by lf in Android Gradle bit. I don't know what it is all about. So let's just press again, and it did nothing this time. I don't know what just happened. So let's go back to our Chrome and to our repository. We have done everything good. We don't have to think about anything. So let's just press it again, if it is working or not. Nothing is specified, nothing is added yet actually. So I don't know why this error happened just now. Everything is good because I do it on the daily basis, so there should not be any problem with this. So let's do one more thing. After that we will say git commit, and we will specify -m, and we can specify a message here. So we will say first commit, and we can press enter, and see, now it has committed all the files for me. So git add dot was working. Sorry for that inconvenience which I thought that it is not working. So first of all we have to write git this command git init, this command git init. Then we have to write this git add space dot to add all the files to that particular git, and then we have to commit. So we will write git commit -m first commit. Okay, so after that we need to say git remote add, and what we need to add, we need to add the URL for our repository. So let's go back to our GitHub, and here you can say we have this command here written at remote add origin, and origin is basically how we add it, and then we have the URL here. So let's copy it and just paste it here. So let's delete all of this stuff, and this is what we have. Okay, and now let's just press enter, and it is done. So if you are not linked with GitHub, then it can ask you for username or password. So you have to just enter that, then it will be just one time, and then after that it will not ask you that. So after this you don't have to anything, don't have to do anything. And let's go back to our GitHub, and here you can see it is just saying me to just push them. So what I can do, I will write git push. Okay, and I will write this -u, I will write the origin and the name of the branch, which is master. Okay, so let's just press enter, and some operations will perform. It will write some data and everything, and it is saying that branch master setup to track remote branch master from origin. Okay, so this is how you will push your all the files and data to GitHub. Now let's check GitHub repository whether it was completed or not. So let's just refresh this or go back to this frenzy chat app, and here you can see I have this frenzy chat app is written in Flutter, and there is Android, iOS, lib, test, every folder which I have created. Let's check the sum of my code, and here you can see that we have this code already here. So I don't think you have to do anything else apart from this. And there can be many situations like you want to update it or you want to merge some code, so that we will explain later, or you can watch some videos for that, or you can read the documentation for that, or you can wait for a video, or you can ask me to make a video. So you can comment here, and you can like this video if you liked my way of doing this git initialization. So you have to also like this video. At least let's say how many of you are watching my video. So at least 100 of you will watch my video, so at least 40 to 50 likes would be sufficient for me. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.